Ayan, so we're live.
We're live again, and thank you for coming back. And here we are with the executive committee members of the Miss International Queen Philippines, and they're going live again. We're going live again with them kasi meron silang sasabihin about sa mga bagay-bagay na talagang tinatanong ng karamihan.
Yes. First and foremost, gusto po muna namin magpasalamat sa presence ninyo. Alam po namin very short notice, but still, alam po namin na galing pa kayo ng Bulacan, pero kayo dito. And Sir Tay, salamat po sa pag-ayon.
Thank you, of course. Anytime for Miss International Queen Philippines. Thank you so much sa mga kapatid namin vloggers na lagi nakasupport sa MIQ Philippines. Maraming salamat po. Thank you for coming.
Yes. Ngayon, linawin muna natin kasi para naging kaakibat na ng Miss International Queen Philippines on its first, second, and third year, palaging may intriga as soon as after the coronation. Parang ano to? Part na ba to? Ano?
Is it tradition?
Tradition na ba to?
Culture na ba siya?
Culture na ba siya talaga sa pageantry?
Ako po, I would like to take it positively and constructively na ibig sabihin po is tinatangkilik tayo. Sabi nga po nila is like parang kung wala yung mga ganyan, ibig sabihin hindi ka pinapanood. So, para po sa akin, sa amin po, nagpapasalamat kami na positive or constructive criticism. Ibig sabihin po, tinatangkilik ang Miss International Queen Philippines. Ibig sabihin po, nag-grow tayo. Ibig sabihin po, dumadami ang followers natin. And yeah, yun po. So, baka nga po, kakambal na.
Kakambal na, traditional.
Hindi lang sa atin, Sir Tay. I think hindi lang sa MIQ Philippines, kahit sa ang pageant po, cisgender pageant, sa mga municipal pageant natin.
Even Miss Universe.
I don't want to mention brands, pero I think hindi lang po sa MIQ Philippines. So, ako po, we take it as a positive thing. Ibig sabihin, pinag-uusapan, inaabangan po tayo.
And speaking of controversy, naging controversial yung twist natin sa Miss International Queen Philippines. Of course, explain natin yung nangyaring twist po.
Actually, wala kaming twist talaga. Siguro sa sobrang overwhelming Karen during that night. Nasabi niyang twist, pero to be fair with everybody, talagang we only have 3 winners in Miss International Queen Philippines. Pero sa kagustuhan nga ng Execom Committee na ma-stretch namin yung cash prizes, we choose the rank 3 and rank 4.
Rank 4, rank 5, sorry.
Rank 4 and rank 5, sorry. So yun po. So meron kami talagang nireading cash for them. Kasi nga, sa totoo lang, alam niyo yan, sobrang hirap mamili ng winner during that night. Ang hirap mamili ng 3. Yung 5, sobrang sakit pa rin sa amin. Kung pwede nga lang na 10 yung manalo, why not? Lahat yan, yun nilalagyan namin talaga ng ranking. Pero sa kagustuhan ng Execom talaga na ma-stretch namin yung cash prizes at mabigyan talaga ng award din. Dahil sobrang lahat naman talaga sila nag-effort. That's the reason kaya kami nagkaroon ng 3rd and 4th during that night.
Isa pa po pala, yung connection sa sinabi po ni Sir Tay tungkol sa mga shots. Ito po, hindi po alam ng lahat na bukod po sa Corona, ang sash po ng Miss International Queen na sash na to, first runner-up, second runner-up, third and fourth, ay galing po ito sa Thailand. Kasama po ito. So, ang mga pinapagawa na pa sa Philippines ay yung mga special awards natin. So, we thought na, meron tayong sash na may pinadala. So,
sayang.
And of course, na-determine yung 4th and 3rd runner-up. Of course, yung sa top 10.
Sa top 5 po.
Ranking ng
rank 4.
Top 10
yung first
base sa performance nila.
Ng top,
para kunin yung top 3.
Yes.
So, yun.
During top 10 finalists.
Sa finalists.
Nag-rank 4, si 4th ang nag-rank.
So parang salamat, nabigyan pa sila
ng special awards
recognition.
and placement, kumbaga.
Kasi hindi sila isinama pa.
Deserve naman po yung napingaan namin sa
Sobrang hirap. Kung pwede lang po na Diyos ko lahat sila manalo, why not?
Totoo yan.
Diba sabi nga namin this year, ang gaganda ng mga nyo talaga. Parang 90 to 85 to 90% to 95% in my personal opinion, ang daming talagang pahirapan. Hindi katulad ng first and second edition nyo na parang may mga runaway winners na ang dating. Ito parang
salamat po sa regional directors po natin. It's because of the regional directors.
Sila silang lahat ng original
pageants.
At first time natin nagkaroon ng regional directors. Anong comments, anong messages natin para sa different regions, lalo na sa mga interesado maging regional directors in the future?
Siguro messages namin sa kanila talagang again, nasabi ko na yan on stage na talagang huwag kaming iwanan ng mga regional directors namin. And we want them na makasama namin ng mahabang panahon dahil sobrang nakita namin lahat ng effort nila during the event. Yung hirap, pagod, hindi mababayaran yan. At yun yung tumatak dun sa MIQ organization. Kaya talagang yun yung talagang pinagpipray namin everyday na talagang makasama namin sila all throughout of this journey.
Another controversy, yung post ni Miss Reyna Turismo Cavite na during that night, hindi daw siya pinaupo as judge.
Oh yes, I know. It's a sad story that Miss Reyna ng Turismo had such a very sad experience apparently from MIQ Philippines, but we are in good connection with mga Sinta Remulla. We had this GC that na sinabi naman doon that we allowed Miss RNP to have a seat on the judging table, and we even of course ang talagang invited po natin doon is si Ma'am Sinta Remulla, but it so happened that they message us na hindi makakapunta dahil sa isang importanteng engagement or emergency, which we understand naman. At nagpapasalamat kami kasi merong hindi mabablanko yung upuan. So, kung makikita po rin natin sa video, nandun po, in-announce po ng ating mga hosts that to represent Ma'am Sinta Remulla is the crowned RNP queen.
And nakita namin, of course, doon sa messages.
She was called on stage.
She was called on stage.
Bakit hindi siya nakaakyat?
Ako po talaga, hindi ko alam.
Sobrang busy
So,
naman
hindi
po
ko
siya.
totoo.
And nakita namin dun sa conversation yung sa private message niya or GC na pinaupo mo siya.
Pinaupo talaga namin.
Na walang,
siguro kung nagkaroon
yes.
ng miscommunication dun sa area ng mga hunters na ito. Pero I myself, I am the witness na nakita ko dun talaga nung ina-advise nila na Ma'am Jacinta Remulla is not coming. And sinabi nila na kung pwede daw maging representative si Reyna ng Turismo. And then Michelle replied na yes, if nadudoon po siya, let her. So simple as that message po. So siguro po it's a miscommunication lang. So sa lahat po ng mga hindi nakaunawa nung post, that's the real story.
Sir David, Rod, maybe we can take this opportunity na
yes,
to
please.
apologize na rin.
Yes,
Ever
opo.
so na nagkaroon ng miscommunication. Ako po personally ang lumapit para makasama natin ang si Mama Sinta Remulla, maging supporter po natin sila. We even invited them. We would like to know, all of you to know that MIQ Philippines is supportive of all the pageants. Nakita niyo po yan. We support Win Philippines.
Yes.
We would like to support RND as well, Reyna ng Turismo. So, kung meron man pong naging misunderstanding, kami na po humihingi ng pasensya, paumanhin po. Pero gusto ko lang pong namin i-clear that we did not, it's not true that we denied a seat sa taong dapat na nasa seat. Yun lang po.
So, klaro tayo doon.
Yes po. We support Reyna ng Turismo. I am excited to be there.
Correct.
As per the invitation of Ma'am Sinta, kami lahat, si Sophia, si Lars, ganun. We are excited and we support every pageant. Direct.
Yeah, we support the Reyna Turismo. Kung meron mang pagkukulang, maraming salamat ka rin. I'm sorry, we apologize sa mga ganung pagkukulangan. Pero it's not true yung mga issues na binaban.
Yes.
Embrace them.
Correct.
Siyempre, good yan.
Sabi nila pag namumunga daw talagang binabato.
Ayun nga. Actually, may isa pang mga nababasa kami sa mga comments na sana binigyan daw ng chances na bigyan ng mic. Pero kaya naman ng chances, casual interview.
Actually,
During
that's
top
the
10 interview.
mechanics of Miss International Queen from the very beginning. We haven't have question and answer talaga. So parang what we want is tawag dito a casual interview only. So hindi kami kumukuha ng top 10 doon sa question and answer. Since meron na kaming tinatawag na closed door interview prior to the event.
And the preliminary.
And even international pageant, parang top 3 lang talaga yung kino-Q&A. No, right?
3 years na din we do that eh. Parang first session, after matawag yung top 10, before the top 10, meron mo ng casual interview. So,
Pero siguro dahil nga sa mga madaming baguhan, kasi since this is your third year, parami ang nanonood at naging
interesado.
Yung karamihan ng mga bagong nanonood yun, hindi pa talaga alam yung
mechanics
siguro,
or system.
Yung mechanics, kaya siguro sila nagtatanong. Pero yun na nga, we've been witness for the past 3 years. Ito talaga ang plot, ito talaga ang mechanics, ito talaga ang sistema.
Pero mga sirs, this is a learning ground for us as well. So,
tama.
dapat ngayon nalaman namin na dapat mas klaro next time. So, natututo po kami sa mga ganitong, sabi ko nga sa inyo, we take everything like constructively. Maraming salamat sa mga nagpadala or nagbigay ng opinion. We take all of your opinions. We take all of your comments po seriously. We may not be that outspoken sa social media, but we take everything seriously. We listen, we try to comprehend, and we try to address. Just like right now po, uulitin po namin, we would like to tell you all na kung ano man yung sa tingin niyo po naging pagkukulang namin, maraming salamat po at in-address niyo yan dahil sa next year, mas maganda, mas klaro.
Tuloy-tuloy ba ang regional?
We'll do better.
Franchise.
We'll do better. Dahil po sa inyo na.
Not better, be best.
Evolution na
It's evolution.
Mainit kasi yung issue, nung mainit ang issue, syempre may mga nasabing biglaan, may mga directors din na nakapagsabi. Are you in good terms with them?
Yes po.
Na-address naman
meron kaming mga mensahe, may mga hindi mawawala sa pamilya po yung ganyan. Kasi we consider MIQ Philippines as a family more than as a company or business organization. Meron po kami mga mensahe, nagkaka-thumbs upan, nagkaka-ganyan. So, and we are very affirmative or positive, should we say, na walang hindi maayos na problema.
May pagbabago ba bukod sa regional directors pa rin, or are you parang eyeing na dapat may mga provincial franchises na rin or city franchises?
That is the next project na abangan po nila sa mga susunod na kabanata.
Miss Universe na ang MUPH na ang bigger. Dapat lang. And speaking of bigger, oh my God.
Speaking of bigger, ano ang aasahan nila
Yes,
next
3 years, of course.
Congratulations again.
Yes.
Paano ba nyo nakuha uli ang franchise? Paano ba napanatili sa inyong executive committee ang franchise sa Miss International Queen?
Unang-una po talaga, hindi po ibabalik sa atin ang prangkisa kung hindi natuwa sila Ma'am Alisa sa ginawa natin for 3 years. Ito po yung testamento, yung mga pinagagawa po natin for 3 years, testamento na sila ay satisfied.
Pero wag natin kalimutan, never pa nagbigay ng franchise yan maliban sa inyo 3 years ago. Diba? Yung
Yes,
first, yun yung unang-una. And then
Wala pa
for the
talagang
record,
nagka-franchise.
Diba? The first ever franchise na binigay ng Miss International Queens as a Philippines dito sa grupong ito, guys. So ngayon, bakit sa kanila binigay uli? Yun, ba't naman iintrigahin yun? Napatunayan
Bakit naman
nila
hindi?
in the next 3 years,
Yes,
right?
of course.
Yung sistema, paano ba ibinigay sa inyo uli? Kasi during the coronation, during the press con after the coronation, I asked you about that.
Yes.
Sabi mo, actually, parang few weeks ago mo nang alam yon na ibigay sa inyo.
To be honest, alam na po namin, March 15 pa lang.
March 15,
March
diba?
15 pa lang, we already had a correspondence from the headquarters, them giving us, awarding us.
Naging emotional ka doon, Ma'am Michelle.
Oh, awarding March
So sobrang emotional mo, nasabi mo na Philippines is the best. Naging chika ka to. I'm so nakakatawa yun.
Meron po tayong Philippines is the pageant capital of the
Yes, diba? Embrace natin. Diba?
Tito Jojo.
Kumusta naman si Sophia? How did she take yung mga issues?
Yes.
As the new queen?
I think everyone have their own bets. Syempre naman po, and I respect that po. So, right now, focus lang po ako dun sa mga naniniwala po sa akin ngayon.
Positive
and focus
lang.
po ako sa preparation on Thailand so I could be able to make those criticisms turn into a positive thing po.
Sophia, Hakot Award that night.
Ay, oo nga.
That
Hakot
night
ka.
ba na feel mo na sa'yo na yung corona?
Hindi po.
Yung totoo.
Yung totoo.
Walang chikahan.
Best
Hindi,
in...
promise po. Kasi sa inyo na nga po nang galing talagang lahat
Tukpukan
magaganda
talaga.
best of all regions. Kaya po, parang sabi ko, baka kasi yung Hakot Award po parang overwhelmed na po ako noon. Sabi ko dapat parang nasa pressure ako, sabi ko dapat panalo ako kasi Hakot Award ako. Bet ako ng sponsors.
Sophia, that night kasi after of course that coronation, bugbugan yung yung social media, yung mga bashing. Nagbabasa ka ba or paano yung reaction mo nung that time na saktan ka ba siya? Of course, tao ka lang.
Actually, sila Sir Tate po, tsaka sila Ma'am Michelle, sila Direk, parang just take it
kalmado lang.
Edition na yan.
Start of
Ba talaga si Direk, no? Tsaka si Sir Tate.
lahat po sila
Kalmado
inaano
lang.
rin po talaga nila ako na huwag mo silang papansinin. Kasi,
Yeah.
kasi actually naman po yearly talaga nangyayari. Sarili naman po.
So talaga hindi ka na, di ba? Ang galing, no? Kalmado lang, no?
Hindi, yan ba ang
Unbothered.
Kinabukasan nakita namin yung photo mo, nasa kama ka parang di ba?
Woke up like this.
May woke
The new
up like
world
this
na
boy
happy
with
po,
all the
yes.
with all the tradition bashing and yet the crown is on your head.
Mama Michelle, yan, go.
Paano mo ngayon siya ipapakita na it's not just on your head but it's also you're bringing it for the rest of the Philippines to the world?
Yes, actually, right now, nagpo-focus pa lang po kami sa courtesy visits sa sponsors po to give nag-gratitude po sa kanila for loving the MQ Philippines organization. And meron po,
Tomorrow.
Love Yourself PH, we can work with them. And this crown is not just a crown on my head. I can be an art of kindness to everybody through Love Yourself PH.
Tomorrow na yung motorcade parade mo sa Kalayaan, Laguna. Ano bang aabangan namin tomorrow? Of course, yung mga kababayan mo sa Kalayaan, Laguna. Ano bang Kalayaan. Ano bang mga ganap tomorrow?
So,
Sa
after
homecoming
flag ceremony po sa provincial capital, we will have our motorcade from provincial capital to municipality of Kalayaan. And simple gathering. And I'm just really grateful po sa governor po ng Laguna and to our mayor po for organizing such an event like this.
Nakita mo na ba yung mga co-candidates mo pagdating mo sa Thailand? Yung mga makakalaban mo sa Thailand, nakita mo na ba yung mga ibang candidates?
Yes po. Ang gaganda nila pong lakad.
Ay,
Maganda ka din.
Mapaganda rin po tayo.
Okay, I have questions to Sophia. Sophia, sa palagay mo, ano yung paghahanda na gagawin mo for our sandwich victory for the Philippines?
Pressure yan, tanong
Yes.
yan.
Mami Michelle is helping me po with that, and that is something that you should wait for.
Okay. Sige, may
You
naabangan.
already find her beautiful now. Wait.
Meron
There's
pa.
more. Nakita yun na po.
So anong dadalhin mong costume? Magdadala ka ba din ba na nagsasanta Cruz sa katawan mo? Anong
Abangan. Alam mo naman.
Abangan. And let me take this opportunity to announce as well that our first runner-up, Queen Nina Similatan, would be representing our country sa Miss Mardi Gras in Australia. And our second runner-up, na si Julian Concepcion, would be representing our country sa Miss Transstar na gagawin sa Brazil.
Wow! Oh my God.
And we're looking for pageants as well. May kausap na po tayo na hopefully may padala rin natin si
Sina
Queen
Mikay.
Sheila tsaka po si Queen Mikay.
Mikay.
Meron po tayong kausap ng mga ibang international pageants. Let's hope pa yung para well represented din
Well,
naman.
mukhang yung organization nyo naman ang credible and matindi ang integrity when it comes to that.
Plus 500 ka dyan.
Hindi. Ang question ko ngayon, kasi for sure, those who are interested to join Miss International Queen in the future, in Philippines in the future, eto isa sa mga tanong. Pag naipadala nyo na ba sila, like runner-up sila, napadala sila sa ibang bansa para lumaban, pwede ba silang lumaban ulit to get the main crown?
Oo, sir. Yung ano po ang nangyayari po kasi for as long as hindi ka pa nakapag-represent ng Philippines.
So halimbawa itong mga ipapadala nyo, mag-represent sila ng Philippines. Paano kung i-represent nila hindi Philippines, Pilipinas? So hindi na sila talaga pwedeng lumaban.
Yes, but we would like to give chances to other aspiring trans beauty queens din na may experience po ang entablado.
But as long as you didn't compete
And besides,
internationally.
mananalo po yung mga yun eh, kanya
Ay!
tayo sila pabalik.
Manifesting talaga.
Ayun. So anyway, siguro ano,
So malinaw na. Wala na yung sa mga hindi na maintriga na ito yung talagang spur of the moment, yung emotions, talagang part na yan ng industry ng trans pageantry. So any last messages sa ating mga
lahat.
young fans that are watching right now para in the future kung how they are going to look at this event for their time in the future. The current adults now who are interested in trans pageantry and also those who are only looking for faults.
Hindi, siguro ano,
Let's start with
sa lahat ng
Talaga.
supporters
Sa lahat
and
ng supporters.
detractors.
And detractors.
Parang ano lang, lahat na lahat.
In general.
In general.
For the young trans, keep dreaming.
Yes.
Yun lang. Okay. And then for our supporters, regardless of positive or negative, we love you.
Iyan, bet ko kalmado lang.
Okay.
Certain.
Sa mga bagong generation ng trans, keep dreaming, kagaya sinabi ni Direk. Always hashtag MIQPH. And dun sa mga bashers namin, thank you, mas lalo kami naging strong. Stronger and bigger. Shisheng.
Iba.
Susunod sa'yo.
To all the young dreamers, just like what they said po, just keep dreaming because I was once on their shoe. Nangarap din po ako and now I am here so they could be able to make it.
Sabi ni Sofia.
Tapos po sa lahat naman po na sumusupport at sa lahat po ng bashers.
Isa pa? Sa mga supporters saka sa mga bashers?
Sa lahat po ng supporters and bashers.
And kay Andy.
Ako, Andy, kinakabay ganun din.
Po, muli, maraming salamat po sa suporta niyo po sa amin, kay Sofia, sa buong organisasyon po. Thank you po sa lahat po ng sponsors namin. Maaari po may makalimutan po ako, but let me name a few. Of course, Aquila Crystal Palace, Mastay Peace, Kamal Cosmetic Hospital, Jojo Bragais, Alfim, Toledo Med, Smiles Professional, who else, Kataw, at sa marami pang iba, Casa Moriones, Spicer,
Love Yourself.
Love Yourself, Dr. Bean. Maraming salamat po talaga sa inyong lahat. And umasa po kayo talaga na aalagaan namin at sino man ang mga puputungan natin ni Reyna. At umasa po kayo that we promote love. We are an organization that promote peace. We are an organization that would like to be an epitome of humility, and we are an organization that embraces everyone po.
At anong message sa mga bashers and supporters?
The Philippines is the pageant capital of the Philippines!
I like it!